How to rank your WordPress article on top Google search engines organically without any backlink. I know backlinks are very important, but getting organic traffic is essential because it is free and it will last for a long time. In my 7 years of experience, I have done mastery in ranking articles on top search results, and I have created so many articles for my clients, and I also get web traffic organically for my website using my quality articles. So to watch this video till the end so that I can share with you a good strategy to write SEO friendly content, you should have the power and the knowledge of on-page SEO so that you can help Google to drive traffic to your website and rank your web pages on the top results. In this video, I will cover few important topics which are essential for writing. First of all, you need to research keywords. I will help you to research your keywords using specific tools. I will also show you an example of my own blog in which I have created very few backlinks and its posts are ranking on top search results, and I'm getting organic traffic for my website. I will also use Yoast SEO plugin, which is free of cost, and its paid version you can also use, but for beginners I will suggest free version to add title, meta description, and also help you to make URL structure. I will help you with writing SEO friendly titles and subtitles. I will give you information about the URL structuring and insight on other formattings about articles. I will tell you about image optimization, which is very essential to load your web pages quickly. I will tell you about effective functionalities of WordPress, and content optimization tools are very important that you should use to rank your keywords on the top search result of Google. Interlinking between your articles is also important that you should do perfectly within your pages. And post permalink is also an essential thing that you need to keep in mind. Updating your content regularly is very important because whenever any changes happen in market, if you have added a news, then you have to update it regularly.
This is my blog which I have created with content only, and I have not created much backlinks for this blog. I have just searched this blog on this site neilpatel.com, and you can see organic keywords are 1053, organic monthly traffic is 1467, and backlinks are very less. And I will also show you top pages here in the left hand side. You can see these are the top pages. So once I click on this, you can see these are the keywords which are showing on the top position, and you can see this dresses of Punjab is in 4th position and its estimated visit is 66. And if I show you my analytics as well, this is my analytics, and you can see the real-time report as well of my site. You can check the overview. You can see this my daily user visit is more than 300, and even it sometimes goes to more than that, and I have not even created much of the backlinks for my this blog, and I have just added content. So I will highly recommend you to use tool like SEMrush, Ahrefs for searching keywords. And you can also search keywords from here, like you can make a main keyword like dresses of Punjab as a main keyword, on dress in Punjab, clothes of Punjab as S2 and S3 secondary, and a third main keywords. For example, if I search best TV brand in India, I will see these links. These are the top links, and if you search and open these few links here, you will you need to find out why they are showing on the top search. You can scroll down and see they have quality images, they have added small contents, And if you need to write better content than them, you need to judge them and see their pros and cons. Pin a keyword best TV brand in India and you will get these results. Herein you can compare top 5 Google searched articles and analyze and compare them to stay ahead of your competitors. Write an article which is better than your competitors. For this you need to find the good points and drawbacks of such articles. So just open these articles and check out what good and bad points they have. Like in this article you can see the title is very good and catchy, and they have also written like guide and reviews, and they have also mentioned the year, which is very important. You can see they have also added table of contents so that people can reach to the specific portion of the article easily. Make single or two lines instead of long paragraph, as people actually like to read that, and this can add proper spacing to make it reader friendly. Like in this article you can see proper spacing is given, and table of content which they have added is good for the navigation purpose. And make sure to add videos and HD quality images. You can see other articles as well wherein this information is given properly. Make sure to write long articles because people look for comprehensive information. Ensure to give sources of everything that you take online, like images and video. Herein you can see other articles as well and compare them. You need to write better than this article to rank above them. Remember one thing, many people make a big mistake by giving image name like this IMG1, but it should not be like this. It should be instead the keyword, which is this best TV brand in India. You need to replace this and make it like this. This is helpful because there is a section in Google which is images. Here you can see this is the image section, and in this section your article can also can come up on top with a specific image if it is optimized and named correctly. Now you have an idea which type of article you are need to write and people search for. Now you have two options, either write an article on your own or outsource it. If you write it on your own and do not have enough expertise on writing, then it will take a lot of time. It is better to outsource your article and hire a freelancer to do the work for you. Also ensure to write at least 5,000 words or 3,000 words of article for better visibility on search engines. If you are thinking to outsource your articles, then I would definitely recommend you my company Digital Today, and you can find my company's link below in the description. Make sure to give detailed project information including your requirement. The more project information you will give, the better it will be for the content writer to come up with the best article. In your WordPress dashboard, you need to create your post by entering your title. You can give your keyword as your title as well. I would recommend you to use Yoast plugin, and I would suggest you to download it, and this is a free plugin. You can also get its paid version, but as you can see, top 10 are searched more, like top 10, top 7, so it is better to write top 10 in front of your title. Like if I give this title, different title here, it will show in my meta description in my Google search, but actual title is different in my post, and actual description is also different, which I am going to give in my Yoast meta description. So herein you can write like top 10 TV brands, and I am also writing December 2019, so that people will come to know that this is a latest article and they will search it more. And it is better to use this Yoast plugin, and this in Slug I will write this keyword only for the URL structure. Make sure to check this orange bar. If it is orange, then it's okay, but if it is green like this, you are exceeding the limit, so remove this extra part. And in description as well, make sure to use the keyword. See, it's green, so it is exceeding. You can just remove few words to make it orange. Now I will recommend you to use compressjpeg.com to decrease the size of the image. For example, I am using this image, and herein I am using this software to compress the size. The less the image size, the quickly the page will load. It will also affect the SEO ranking of your article. It will give less load to server, hence your website will load faster. So always use this software and compress the size of your image before adding it. And now if you add this, make sure that you put the keyword in the bold and in the first 100 words of your article. It means in the intro of your article you need to include your main keyword and mark it as a bold, and keep your keywords like main keyword in H1 and secondary keyword in S2 and third keyword in S3, and so on and so forth. You have to fulfill the intent of a viewer, because if an individual is satisfied with your information, he will be spending more time on your page. This gives the indication to Google that the article is perfect and can be ranked on the top searches, and this article is giving all the information a person is looking for. And I will also recommend you to use all the functionalities of WordPress, like this bullet points and this numbering list, this block quote. These all functionalities you should use for the better visibility of your article. You do not need to buy any expensive tool and templates. Everything can be done using WordPress and some useful plugins. One more tip that I would like to share with you is that don't make any grammar mistake, because if someone finds grammar mistake, then he will just switch to another website. The best way to remove grammar mistake is to go to Grammarly website and check your content. You do not have to pay anything to check your article, and you can easily use its free version. You just need to check your article on its platform and copy paste the content on your Word file. Once you will click the new button, you will just need to paste your content here, and just need to copy paste this content to your Word file. Herein you can paste your content, and from here it will show the suggestion copy paste content in your Word file after correcting it. Now I would talk about content optimization tool. This is a tool, keyword density checker. You can get its URL as well, smallseotools.com. and this keyword density is very important in your article, and keyword density in your article should be 1 to 2% maximum to make it SEO friendly. Using this tool you can get help to figure out the density of your keyword in your article. Make sure to click on this text part to get this box and paste your content and just get the keyword density result. This is another website, WebFX, where you can get this information. It can help you to make your article become readable. In case you have any tough words or phrase in your article, then it will give you suggestion to correct them.
Thing which I want to share with you is about interlinking. Interlinking within your pages is very essential. If people stay on your website for a longer time, then it means Google thinks that your content is valuable and it gives importance to it. Interlinking is good for passing link juice, though link juice is not as useful as backlink, but it is good for the viewer's point of view so that viewers stay on your website for a longer time. So let me know in the comment section how much helpful this tutorial is for you to create SEO friendly content. And if you want more digital marketing training videos, then please subscribe my channel.